Hey, this is Carson at Neversink Tools, and today we are going to assemble the bed roller. You only need a couple of tools for this. You need a Phillips head screwdriver or a Phillips head drill, bit in a drill. And you need a wrench of some kind. I'm just going to use this adjustable crescent wrench. That's it. So to start, you're going to grab your ferrule. You're going to unscrew the bolt. You're going to leave the washer on. And it's going to go in between the ferrule and the top bar of the roller. Put the bolt through, reach around, and screw on the nut. Right? And you want to tighten it down until, I would tighten it down snug, right? And then you can back off a little bit if it's not turning easily, right? So you don't want it to be loose, you just want it to rotate easily. So I can rotate it. By rotating it, you're actually changing which side of the bed the handle angle is pointed towards. So I like that pretty well. It feels tight, but it also rotates easily. Next, we're gonna put together the handle with the handle coupling. So I'm going to push these wooden handles in, right? And if you're having trouble, you can tap them, right? Maybe tap them on the ground. There's a little tab in there that they stop against, right? So mine's all the way in. I'm gonna put the other one in. Sometimes they go in easy enough. Sometimes you gotta tap them. And then there are 4 holes, so just put a screw in each hole. Okay. Don't, you wanna stop when the screw gets to the coupler, because you definitely don't want to break the screw off. So now I'm going to put the handle we just assembled onto the top bar by putting it in the ferrule. And I'm going to face the logo away from the screw hole on the ferrule. You don't have to, do whatever you want. You want to make sure it's deep. And then you're going to put 1 screw in. All right, that's the assembled bed roller. Super easy. If you're on this side of the bed, there's a little arrow that points which way the handle's angled towards. So if you're on this side of the bed, you want the arrow pointed towards you, and if you go to the other, you just rotate it around. That's it.